It's incredible. Put this in your navel and get rid of cough, cold, abdominal and menstrual pain. Well, first you should know that many experts around the world say that this is probably one of the most effective methods of home medicine when it comes to relieving pain. It's a simple procedure that doesn't require any special efforts. And it's very simple, you just have to put alcohol-soaked cotton in your navel. Yes, that's it. And by putting alcohol-soaked cotton in your belly button, you will recover faster from common cold, flu, coughs, abdominal and menstrual pain. Here's what you need to do. As we said, it's very simple. You just have to take some cotton, soak it in 50% alcohol and put that in your belly button. This home remedy will help you to relieve your pain and relax the entire body. This method is also used if you have flu, cold or muscle soreness, and it's much better choice than the conventional medicine. So, the next time when you catch a cold or flu, just soak cotton in alcohol and put it in your belly button. Put a band-aid over it, or simply cover it with a towel or plastic bag. Note, and, as we mentioned before, you can use the same method to relieve menstrual pain too. You just have to lie down and press your belly button gently with your hands. For relieving abdominal pain, use the same method, just add some salt to the alcohol-soaked cotton and put it in your belly button. You should definitely try this simple, but extremely effective method. And, trust me, you will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this article helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.